Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sujisha Aaron. Today's video is one of the most requested video, that is how to become a clinical research associate in Canada. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is a short description about a clinical research associate. So regarding the qualifications and training, actually the requirements may change according to the positions as well. For example, in a clinical trial, they would give preference only to those who have the right to or have the registration to administer injections and all. Also, if you don't have any degree, you can study the clinical research program here, getting relevant experience and apply for the jobs as well. And many of you have asked me about the NOC for a CRA, and I would highly recommend you to go through the jobs, duties and responsibilities of the NOC 4165, and if that matches for your current job prospect or current job responsibilities, you can choose this one. Starting your career in Canada or any other countries in the world is really challenging. So the best way to start your career by getting, at least in Canada, by getting a volunteer experiences in any research organizations or hospitals, and apply for the positions like clinical trial assistant, research assistant, or even clinical assistant. And with that experiences, you can apply for the higher positions, and this will really help you to gain experiences, get knowledge about the clinical trials and researches that is going in Canada. And even you can, after gaining experiences, you can apply for the certification to become a certified clinical research associate. And now it's the important part, that is how to become a certified clinical research professional. Okay, so certification is not mandatory, but it will be a requirement when you apply for the higher positions. So it's better to write the certification examination, and I will provide all the details in the description, so you can check out the details about the examination procedures, the certifications, the requirements and all. So here is the pay by experience level for a CRA, and you can earn from 54k in a year up to 108k in a year as per the experience level. And these are the fields actually a clinical research professional can work. And these are some of the colleges offering the clinical research courses, and I'm not sure if the courses are now open for the international students or not, so please do your own research. So let's see some few job postings here, so you'll get a better idea about the qualification they asked for a clinical research associate. Okay, so this one is from University of Alberta, and the qualification they asked are bachelor's degree in nursing, health or related field, advanced degree like MS or MD, and additional clinical research education and equivalent combination of education and experience will be considered. That is very important. And many other qualifications or requirements, so you can basically go through all these qualifications and make up your resume according to that, get relevant experience they mentioned in this and apply. And let's see second example, that is for research associate in the mRNA department, that is in analytical development department. Okay, so the qualification, the requirements and everything will vary according to the job also. And let's see what are the qualification they ask for. That's, yeah, a BSc or MSc in discipline related to biological or pharmaceutical analytical testing like biochemistry, chemistry, medical science, molecular biology or relevant field, and at least 3 years industry experience in a laboratory environment, and many related to pharmaceutical analytical department. Okay, so these are the requirements. And now let's see the research assistant qualifications. And as I told you earlier in this video, the best way to start your clinical research associate position or career here by starting as a research assistant. So by gaining the volunteer experience, and with that experience you can apply for a research assistant role in hospitals or any other settings, and only the basic degree is needed to become a research assistant. Okay, and then with that you can apply for higher positions. And yeah, that's for today. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section as well, and please share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and bye bye.